Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, okay, so we have here a package from Shopee, one of the online stores here in the country. This one we ordered from Facebook Marketplace. Okay, just so happened that the seller had a Shopee checkout option, which is best for us because we are able to track packages in Shopee, okay, and it's cheaper to ship items via the Shopee delivery. And this item is a knockoff item or a KO item of an alien, a mutant alien, I would say. That's why you heard me say something gibberish in the intro video. That's my best attempt to represent the language of this particular character. Okay, so anyway, I hope that this character gets a legacy card in the upcoming Deadpool Weapon X set for 2024 in Heroclix. And it's a bit hard to unbox it. Okay, the seller did a good job protecting and perhaps overprotecting the package. Okay, for a KO item. KO means knockoff, meaning this is not an original item. But it's fine as long as we get this character in this form, we should be satisfied. Okay, so you might be wondering who I'm talking about. Don't worry, you'll be wondering no more in a few seconds. Ooh, I like the packaging. Okay, Deadpool. So these are knockoff bricks. This is Deadshot actually. Deadpool. Looks like Deathstroke. Okay, so there are two items here. I hope to unbox one today and the other one in a future video. Okay, because the other one I know will be appearing in the next Deadpool Weapon X set. Let's see. So we have a 50% chance. Okay, I say this one because it's heavier. So watch out for this in upcoming videos. So anyway, so this is a Marvel Legends figure of da-da-dang. Oh. Da-da-dang. Whoopoo. Doop. Okay. Okay, so let's throw it out. Okay, so you can see thank you for the plate. Okay, but I'm not a huge Avengers fan. Doop is not an Avenger, is he? Okay, but you can see Doop here. I wonder if there's an original Marvel Legends of this. Okay, must be pricey. Okay, but this one is a knockoff version, so it's not as pricey. Okay, I just wanted to have a Duke Marvel Legend like figure. Okay, so a few articulation in the arms, and of course the X for ecstatic team, I think. Okay, so the green bean mutant. This is a Heroclix channel, so let's take a look at some dupe figures. So we do have all of them, okay, from the Deadpool and the X-Force set, a couple of LEs, even him riding with a tiger on a motorcycle. This would have been best if legacy in Wheels of Vengeance. And the latest one, I guess, but still related, Dupe Fool, Chase from the Rise and Fall set. Okay, so we have all the cards, and you can see that Dupe has his own alien language, okay, gibberish. Okay, but I think you can search online. There is an equivalent alphabet for these signs here. Okay, so if you want to convert this to an English alphabet, so like this one, Dupland. Okay, so it's spelled this in alien, but the English of it, which is Dupland. Okay, so O would be this symbol, P would be that, and D would be this. So something like that. So running shot, precision strike. So there's 1:1 correspondence between the alien character and the English alphabet. Okay, so we have other cards here. We're not gonna look at them, but you can always pause the video if you want to. Okay, from Ecstatic Team, generating the tiger, and the dial at the back. Okay, I hope this appears in the next set. Dupe in Wolverine suit. And then we have Dupe from Deadpool and X-Force. Okay, and at the back, 35 points sounds fair. And the Chase Dupe Pool, an amalgam of Dupe and Deadpool. A lot of stop clicks for this one. Yeah, so that's it for this video. As I said, quick unboxing. Happy to include a new Marvel Legends in the collection. Even though it's KO, it's still a knock-off figure, or it's still an okay KO figure. Okay, bye-bye!